Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can set Spotify song as a ringtone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing you gotta do is simply go ahead and access your Spotify app on your phone. Once you have done so, this is how it's gonna appear. Make sure you're signed in as well. Now go ahead, tap on the playlist of yours from where you would like to set one song as your Spotify ringtone, right? So from this, we currently do not have it, so we're going to go to our library and tap on this liked song of ours. So let's say this is the song of ours, right? If we tap on this three dot beside, we will have plenty of options, but we cannot seem to find the direct option for us to simply add it as a ringtone, because you cannot do so unless and until you download the song. And that option we can only get by simply going to the premium and purchasing the premium subscription of Spotify, which lets us simply download the song, including listening it to the ad free, and we can also download a whole playlist, and we can go back and simply will be able to set that as our ringtone. So first step would be simply take the premium of your Spotify. If you already have, all you gotta do is tap on this download icon, download your playlist, and choose a song from there and add it as a ringtone. That is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.